Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Vlogmas. We are on day 3 with the 5 minutes German every day. We will continue with our manga Kiku and we start with the right side here. Wieso, du kleiner? Wieso means why. Du, you. Kleiner. Klein is an adjective, means small or little, and the er at the end is because he didn't finish his sentence, so we know that at the end he would say a noun, and most definitely a male noun, you, sob or anything else, right? Wie lange wird es wohl sein? Huh? Wie lange? How long? Wird sein is a verb construction here. Will be. As I told you yesterday, it, and wohl, it's a little hard to translate. It's like perhaps or well. So he wants to say, how long will it be perhaps? So this is more for emphasis. You don't need to say that. It's not important or not grammatically important, but it's for emphasis. So how long will it be perhaps? Huh? Was tust du da? And this is the third question word we have in this 1 minute. So this is reason enough to write them down. So I wrote them here. Wieso? Why? Wie lange? How long? Was? What? Was tust du da? Tun means to do. Da is there. So what do you do there? Lass ihn los, du Punk. The verb here is a verb that opens up. Loslassen, to let go. This is the whole verb, loslassen, to let go. And if we talk a little bit about the grammar, it's one of those verbs that are opening up here. The first part goes at the end of a statement. The object comes in the middle. And this part here, which is the actual verb, comes at position 1. So we have here the verb, the object, and the little addition. I just make here 3 dots. Which are those? Lass ihn los, let him free or let him go. Du, Punk. And as I told you before in my other videos, the nouns I try to put the daddy does. Der Punk. Hör auf, Endo. So the grammar here is exactly the same as here. The verb is what I mean. So how would you think is the plain form? In German we say infinitive. So how is the plain form of hör auf, Endo? The right answer, aufhören, to stop. Now maybe if you are new to the language, you would say, why is the him here in the middle? But here is nothing in the middle. The answer to that is because if we say stop, we don't need an object, but let him go or let him loose or let him go has the him. This is the object of the sentence. If we would like to say, for example, stop with that or stop with the madness or anything like that, then we would have an object. And how would we say? The easiest way, hör damit auf. Stop with that. And the object comes in between and the position of the verb changes. Wahoo, das ist geil. Los, schlag ihn kaputt. Geil has many meanings. First one is horny, to be horny. The second one is slang or youth language. This is cool, this is crass, this is amazing, right? It's like a little trash talking, but you can say it without being under the age of 12. Even grown-ups can say that. Los, schlag ihn kaputt. The verb here is again for the third time. That's a good thing actually. So you can remember kaputt, schlagen, to break something by beating it. To smash something maybe in English. Los means go, in this case at least. So wow, that's so cool. Go, smash him or break him. And maybe he doesn't agree. He looks like it. Worüber nochmal lachst du? If we delete this two here, if we delete those two here, worüber lachst du? So the verb here is to laugh, lachen, you, du. Worüber is a question expression, means what about. So since we say to laugh about something, To ask what are you laughing about is how you do it in German. Worüber lachst du? What are you laughing about? So the answer, if you would say about you, then you would say ich lache, I laugh, über dich. I'm laughing about you. So you see, über means about, and it is in the statement über dich, about you, and also in the question worüber.